Want to hit that elusive 1,000 subscriber mark on YouTube? It's the dream, right? That first big milestone, the one that makes everything feel real. But let's be honest, sometimes it feels like trying to catch smoke. You're putting in the work, you're pouring your heart into it, but the numbers just aren't budging. Well, I'm here to tell you there's a method to the madness. Just like that time I figured out how to ride a boosted board across an entire country. It's all about strategy. Today, I'm sharing 7 unbeatable strategies to boost your subscriber count fast. These are the secrets, the hacks, the inside scoops that nobody tells you about. But trust me, they work. Alright, first up, we gotta talk about evergreen content. Think of it like this. You ever plant a tree? At first, it's just this tiny little thing, takes work, takes care, you constantly gotta water it, but then it grows, it gets strong, and it starts providing shade, shelter, maybe even some fruit year after year without you having to do much at all. That's evergreen content. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Tutorials, how-to guides, educational videos, these are your trees. They stay relevant, they attract new viewers over time, and they just keep growing your subscriber base without you having to lift a finger. Think about it, when you're stuck on something, what do? You go to YouTube, you search for a tutorial, a guide, an answer. And if your video is the one that solves their problem, bam, subscriber magnet. The beauty of it is, once it's up, it's up. It's working for you 24/7, even while you sleep. So, take the time, create high-quality evergreen content, and watch your subscriber count grow on autopilot. Okay, chapter 2, and this one is all about becoming a data detective. We're talking analytics, people. I know, sounds boring, but trust me on this one. Your analytics are like a treasure map, leading you straight to subscriber gold. You gotta analyze what's working and what's not. Which videos are people actually watching? Which ones are they clicking off of after 5 seconds? Which ones are they watching all the way to the end, and then hitting that subscribe button? This is crucial information because it tells you what your audience wants. And once you know what they want, you give them more of it. It's that simple. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things and see what resonates. But most importantly, pay attention to those analytics. They are your secret weapon in the fight for subscribers. Alright, moving on to chapter 3, and this one's all about first impressions. We're talking about your channel page, people. This is the first thing people see when they stumble upon your little corner of the internet, so you gotta make it count. Think of it like your digital storefront. Would you walk into a store that's messy, disorganized, and doesn't even have a sign? Probably not. Your channel page should be clean, inviting, and instantly tell people what you're all about. Make sure you have a killer banner image that represents your brand, a clear and concise channel description, and organize your videos into playlists so people can easily find what they're looking for. And don't forget about that trailer. You've got a few precious seconds to hook them. Make it count. Chapter 4. And we're getting strategic. We're talking about breathing new life into your old content. You've poured your heart and soul into those videos. Don't let them gather dust in the YouTube graveyard. Go back, revisit your most popular videos, the ones that already have a decent amount of views, and give them a little TLC. Update the titles, make them more clickable, more intriguing. Revamp those thumbnails, make them pop, make them impossible to scroll past. You can even add new cards and end screens to promote your latest and greatest content. Remember, your old videos are still valuable assets, so don't be afraid to give them a little refresh and watch them bring in those subscribers. Chapter 5. And let's be real for a second. People love feeling like they're part of something special, a community, a tribe. So make subscribing to your channel the hottest ticket in town. Offer exclusive content, behind-the-scenes sneak peeks, Q&A sessions, anything that makes your subscribers feel like VIPs. Collaborate with other creators, do shout-outs, run contests and giveaways, get people talking, get people excited about being a part of your world. And don't forget to remind them why they should hit that subscribe button. What's in it for them? We're on to chapter 6 and it's time to unlock the power of the community tab. This, my friends, is not just a place to post random updates. This is your direct line to your audience, your chance to build relationships, to have real conversations. Use it to ask questions, get feedback on your videos, run polls, share behind-the-scenes content, or just chat with your viewers. The more engaged you are, the more invested they become, and the more likely they are to hit that subscribe button. Alright, chapter 7, the final lap. We're talking about the call to action, that part where you tell people to comment, and subscribe seems simple enough, right? Wrong, timing is everything. You don't want to hit them with it too early, they'll bounce. You don't want to wait till the very end, they might have already clicked off. Find that sweet spot. Naturally weave it into your content when it feels right. And most importantly, be genuine. People can spot a soulless plea from a mile away. Let them know you appreciate their support, that you're genuinely grateful for every single subscriber. So there you have it, my 7 proven strategies to unlock that 1,000 subscriber milestone and beyond. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, it takes effort, but most importantly, it takes strategy. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your subscriber count soar. And trust me, when you hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, it's going to feel amazing. But don't stop there. Keep pushing, keep creating, keep hustling. The world needs your voice, your creativity, your unique perspective. And who knows, maybe one day, I'll be the one subscribing to your channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content like this. Keep creating, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.